Hello, dear viewers. Do you want to share your ideas with the world, build your own audience, and even earn money online? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your YouTube channel, customize it, and upload your first video. Here is the best part. I will also explain how you can grow your channel and turn it into a source of income through YouTube monetization. Whether you are using a computer or just your phone, this tutorial will make it super easy. So carry a notebook, stay with me till the end. And by the time we finish, you will not only have your YouTube channel ready but also know the roadmap of start earning money from it. Step number 1, sign into Google account. Before creating a YouTube channel, the first thing you need is a Google account. If you already use Gmail, you can skip this step because your Google account is ready. Now go to screen. Open your browser first and go to googleaccount.com. Create a Gmail account, first link. Scroll down. Create an account. If you want to read from your device, go to Google account, click create account. In the top, select if account if your personal use, child for business, create account. Step number 4, this button, create account. First name, second name. Next. Date of birth is basic information. Select gender, male. Fill this and next. Your username. Enter your name, any digit, then next. The username is also taken, so you try some different. Loading, create password. Now create a strong password. Retype and then next. Here is a phone number that can verify you. Now enter the 6-digit verification code to confirm you got the text message. Check your number and enter verification number. Click next. After verifying, any recovery email if you want, you need. Now then your email is ready. Agree terms and conditions. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. After clicking next, congratulations. You now have a Google account, and with this account you can create your YouTube channel, upload videos and later connect AdSense to earn money. Step number 2, go to YouTube and create channel. First link, YouTube. Now open your YouTube, click on your profile icon and select create channel. Number first, select profile picture. It's mean your logo. Second, name of channel. Second, handle. Handle is automatically detect your channel name and show tick mark, green tick. And it show green tick. It mean your channel name is good. And then create channel button. Congratulations, your channel is created. Step number 3, click on customize channel. Customize your channel is it look professional. YouTube says welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics and more. Continue. Now number first is upload banner. This image will appear access to top of your channel. And for the best result on all devices, use an image that is at least 2040 by 1152 pixel, at least 6 MB. And number second, picture. Your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube, like next to your videos and comments. It's recommended to use pictures that at least 90 out of 98 and picture size almost 4 MB. Use PNG, GIF, no animations. No animations, use as a profile picture. Here is a button to upload your profile picture, and upper button is to upload your banner image. Will appear access to top of your channel. Number third, name. Choose a channel name that represent you and your content. Number 4, handle. Choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. Number 5, description. Your description will appear in the about section of your channel and search result among other places. Language button. Select any language in which videos you use. Language in videos or titles, descriptions, tags. Number 6, channel URL. This is a standard website for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the number and letters at the end of URL. This is your channel URL where you share from any other platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp. And then links. Share external links with your viewers. They will be visible on your channel profile and about page. Add link Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, what you want. Contact information. Let people know how to contact you with your business inquiries. These email address you enter may appear in the about section of your channel and visible to views. Enter your email address where views can contact you. Number 8, video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of your video player. Here is a watermark section of every video. You click on upload button and channel logo or any picture you show on watermark on every video. An image that 150 by 150 pixel is recommended. Use PNG, GIF. Now it's time to upload your first video. Click upload button and select files. Here is your computer files. You select your video in any drives, any folder, and then you click open. For example, I like this one video. Click open. Title required. Add the title of your video. Like our title is how to create a YouTube channel in 2026. Now description. In description, you write each and everything of your video you describe in videos. Thumbnail. Set a thumbnail the standard out draw views attentions. If you create a thumbnail of your video, then you just click upload file and then select it. If your video is AI generated, then you click yes. If your video is not AI generated, then you click no. Tags. There is very important word. Tags. There is very important part to upload video. Tags. Enter tags about your related video, like how to create YouTube channel. Then you enter so many tags of your videos according to your video. And then next checks. We will check your video for issue that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. If your video is copyright or you take some other videos content, so there is show copyright. If your video is clear and original, then there is no issue found. And then next, after that, you click publish button and your video is uploaded. Go to your channel setting, journal, you select your currency. When your channel is monetized, so which currency you receive earning from dollar, all currencies are available. Now your channel is ready and your video is uploaded. Before you start earning, you need to grow your channel. Number first tip is upload regularly. Number second, use attractive thumbnails. Number third, write SEO friendly titles plus description. Number four, share videos on social media. If your channel is grow, then you take more views. The most important part, how to earn money. Finally, let's talk about earning money from YouTube. Click earn button, earn on YouTube. Start your earning journey. Scroll down. Here is some requirements. Number first is 1000 subscribers is required for every channel. Number second, one of the following. Number first is 4000 valid public watch hours at least 365 days, like in 1 year. Number second, if you upload short views, then you need 10 million views in last 90 days. And get notified button want to know when you are eligible. They YouTube send your email to notify you. Now you know how to create a channel, upload videos, grow your audience, and start earning money. If this tutorial helpful you, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.